This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, heated seats, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 22,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.